Wow, Jack! Look at my watch. We have been walking for 40 minutes already.
40 minutes? No wonder my legs feel a bit tired. But the air tonight is so fresh and cool. It is perfect for a workout.
You are right. I love exercising in the evening. It helps me relax after a long day at work. How are you feeling?
I feel great, but I also feel a little bit empty. My stomach is starting to make noises.
Oh, I hear it. I think you burned a lot of calories today. To be honest, I am starting to feel hungry too.
Me too. I was thinking about a salad, but then I saw that bright sign across the street. Look!
Is that the new fast food restaurant? The one everyone is talking about?
Yes, that's the one. I can smell the grilled burgers from here. It smells amazing.
Oh, that smell is so tempting. I know we are trying to stay healthy, but maybe we can have a small treat tonight?
I agree. One burger won't hurt. Plus, we walked a long way today. We deserve a good meal.
You've convinced me, Jack. Let's go inside. I really want to see their menu.
Great. I heard they have some very interesting options. Let's cross the street carefully.
Okay, let's go. I hope it's not too crowded inside. I'm ready to eat.
Don't worry, it looks quiet. Let's head in and find a nice table first.
Wow, look at that digital menu board. It is so bright and colorful.
It really is. It makes everything look delicious. Where should we start looking?
Let's look at the main dishes first. They have many types of burgers and sandwiches.
I see a classic beef burger and a spicy chicken sandwich. Which one do you prefer?
I usually like chicken, but look at the side dishes section. They have more than just fries.
Oh, you're right. They have onion rings, mozzarella sticks, and even a garden salad.
I think I will get the garden salad as a side. It's a healthier choice than fries.
Actually, Lily, I disagree. We walked a long way tonight, so I think we should get the large fries to share.
I see your point, Jack, but large fries have a lot of salt. How about we get a medium size instead?
A medium size? I'm not sure if that is enough for both of us. I am very hungry.
Well, if we get the salad and a medium fries, we can have a bit of both. It is a good balance, don't you think?
That's a smart idea. If we choose a salad, we can balance out the calories from the burger.
Exactly. Now, what about the drinks? Look at the beverages list.
They have sodas, milkshakes, and iced tea. I think I'll just get a bottle of water.
Good choice, Jack. I will get a sugar-free lemonade. It's very refreshing after a walk.
Wait, Lily, look at the bottom of the board. There is a value meal section.
Oh, I see. A value meal is a combo. You get a main, a side, and a drink for one price.
It's much cheaper than buying them separately. We should definitely get the combo.
I agree. It's a great deal. But can we change the fries in the combo to a salad?
Yes, the menu says we can substitute the sides. That's perfect for us.
Perfect. I'm glad we checked the whole menu. Now I know exactly what I want.
Me too. I'm getting the beef burger combo with water.
Let's head to the kiosk to order.
Look, Lily, the line at the counter is very long. Let's use this digital kiosk instead.
That's a great idea. Yeah, it looks much faster. Can you show me how to start?
Sure. First, we just need to tap the screen to begin. See? Now it asks, for here or to go?
We want to eat inside, so please select for here.
Done. Now, let's find our combos. I'll click on the value meals section.
There is your classic beef burger. But wait, can you customize it? I know you don't like onions.
Oh, good catch. Let me click the modify button. I will select no onions and extra pickles.
Wait, Jack, are you sure about the pickles? I think they are a bit too salty for tonight.
I see what you mean. But I love the crunch. How about I only add a few?
Okay, that sounds fair. Now, can you help me with my spicy chicken sandwich?
Of course. Do you want to add anything? Maybe some extra cheese or bacon?
No, thank you. I want to keep it simple. But I do want to swap the fries for a garden salad.
No problem. I'll click Substitute Side and pick the salad. What about the dressing for your salad?
Let's go with the vinaigrette. It's lighter than the creamy ranch dressing.
Almost finished. Do you want to upsize your meal for $1 more?
No, the medium size is enough for me. We shouldn't eat too much late at night.
I agree. I will keep mine as a medium too. Let's check the order summary on the screen.
1 beef burger with no onions, 1 chicken sandwich with a salad, and our drinks. Everything looks correct.
Great. Now I just need to click the checkout button to pay. Okay, the screen says the total is $18.50. How should we pay?
I have some cash, but I think using a card is faster. Do they accept contactless payment?
Yes, look at the symbol on the card reader. You can just tap your card or your phone here.
That is so convenient. I will use my phone. There, it's done.
Great. Now the machine is printing our receipt. Don't forget to take it, Lily.
Got it. Oh, look at the bottom of the paper. Our order number is 145.
145. Okay, let's look at that big screen above the counter. It shows the status of all orders.
I see our number. It is in the preparing column. That means they are making our food now.
Perfect. While we wait, should we find a table? The restaurant is getting a bit crowded.
Good idea. But wait, Jack, did the machine ask about the sales tax?
The tax is already included in the total. In some places, they add it at the end, but here it is simple.
That's good to know. I always get confused with the extra cents.
Me too. Hey, look, number 145 just moved to the ready for pickup column.
Wow, that was fast. I thought we would have to wait at least 10 minutes.
Fast food really is fast tonight. Let's go to the pickup counter and show our receipt.
Wait, Jack, We need to grab a tray to carry everything. It's easier than holding the bags.
You're right. I'll get the tray. Can you check if they gave us the right drinks?
Let me see. 1 water and 1 sugar-free lemonade. Yes, it's all correct.
Excellent.
They even gave us a few ketchup packets in the bag.
I love ketchup with my fries. Do we need anything else before we sit down?
I think we have everything. The burger smells so good, I can't wait to try it.
Let's find that quiet table in the corner. It's the perfect spot to enjoy our meal. Finally, let's sit down here. This corner is very quiet and comfortable.
Great. I am so ready to eat.
Wow, this burger looks much bigger than the picture.
It does. And my chicken sandwich is very hot. Be careful, don't burn your tongue.
Thanks for the warning. Oh, wait, we forgot to grab some napkins. My hands are a bit messy.
Don't worry, I see the condiment stand over there. It has napkins, straws, and lids.
I'll go get them. Do you need a straw for your lemonade, Lily?
Yes, please. And could you check if they have any plastic cutlery?
Good idea. I'll be right back. Here are the napkins, a straw, and a plastic fork for you.
Thank you, Jack. You are so helpful. How is the burger? Is it juicy?
It's delicious. The beef is very fresh, but I think it needs a little bit more black pepper.
I saw some small sachets of salt and pepper at the stand. Did you see them?
Oh, I missed those. I only grabbed the ketchup packets. I'll get the pepper next time.
That's fine. By the way, Jack, do you know about the self-service rule here?
You mean we have to clean our own table when we finish?
Exactly. We should put our trash in the waste bin and leave the tray on top of the bin.
I understand. It's important to keep the restaurant clean for the next guests.
I agree. It's part of the fast food culture. It keeps the service fast and the prices low.
That makes sense. Hey, would you like to try a piece of my burger? It's really good.
No, thank you. I'm enjoying my salad. But you can have some of my fries if you want.
Are you sure? I thought you wanted to stay healthy tonight?
Well, 1 or 2 fries won't hurt. Sharing is caring, right?
Ha ha ha, you're right. They are very crunchy. A perfect match with the ketchup.
I'm glad we came here. It's a nice break from our usual routine.
Me too. Let's finish our meal and then we can walk back home. Hi. That was a fantastic meal, Lily. I feel so full now.
I agree, Jack. I am stuffed. But I'm glad we decided to walk home. It will help us digest our food.
You're right. It was a very productive evening. We exercised and we practiced a lot of English.
We really did. Do you remember what we call the small paper with our order number?
Of course. That is the receipt. And the board with all the food is the menu.
Perfect. And what about the word for when you want to change your fries to a salad?
That is to substitute or swap. I also learned a new word today: condiments.
That's a big word. It means things like ketchup, salt, and pepper. You did a great job using the kiosk, too.
Thanks. It was much easier than I thought. I liked that I could customize my burger without onions.
Wait, Jack, did you remember to throw away our trash before we left?
Yes, I did. I put everything in the waste bin and left the tray in the right place.
Haha, excellent! You are a fast learner. I am very proud of our English practice tonight.
That is the end of our story today. Now, we have a question for you. What did I ask to remove from my burger at the kiosk?
Listen to the story again if you need to find the answer. Also, please share with us, which new English word did you learn today?
Please write both of your answers in the comments section below.
We love reading your comments. If you liked our lesson, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Your support helps us create more helpful videos for you. Thank you for watching and learning with us tonight.
We can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a wonderful night and keep practicing.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.